let me share with you a really simple and popular dish back in Southeast Asia. This is called chicken basil, or in Malaysia we call it ayam masak daun selasih. We're gonna use 3 cloves of garlic. You just need to roughly mince them. They don't have to be too fine, guys. Next up, let's slice the chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts over here. To the next part is just the stir fry. To our pan, I'm gonna add some oil. We're gonna throw in the chicken. So we're gonna stir fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're gonna throw in the garlic. We're gonna add in our fire chili paste. So this is our fish sauce over here. And after the fish sauce, we're gonna add in dark soy sauce. Look at that color, people. Now is the time that we're gonna be adding some basil. There we go. There we go. Wow. Finally, guys, you'll always need to serve this with some peanuts. And then just give this a good mix with all the amazing chicken. Alright guys, let's start plating them. Another thing I need to show you is I've made my rice with a rice cooker. This is my mini rice cooker. And I'm gonna put this into my little dessert cup over here. Reason is because this will give me a really nice shape when I'm gonna plate it up. There we go. To that, we're gonna add our chicken basil. Now to the favorite part of the video, which is time to tuck in. There we go. And then I'm gonna get a nice piece of my chicken and basil. There we go. Yum. Oh, this is so good. Now the flavor itself is amazing, guys. You got like a nice spicy kick from the fire chili paste, as well as a nice aroma from the basil. And to top it off with that, a bit garlicky and a bit sweet from the dark soy sauce that we put in as well. Delicious. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and if you like it, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra! Oh, by the way, if you want to try our fire chili paste, visit this participating restaurants down below, and you can even stand your chance to win a £50 prize. Whoa! How cool is that?